Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 9th of May 2014 market review. As you can see, the American markets, that's the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P, closed a bit mixed on Thursday evening. The Dow closed 32 points positive, the Nasdaq 16 points negative, and the S&P 500 2 points negative. Let's go and look at the 16,550 points on the Dow Jones, where they closed positive last night. This is the Dow Jones on the quick chart, and as you can see, they're testing these highs again and they're struggling for direction. I will actually keep this level of 16,400 in mind. At any time, if the Dow index breaks this blue line of 16,400, we could expect a bit of downward channels happening on the specific index, coming a bit down. But there's a lot of uncertainty currently in the markets, ups and downs, and with a lot of data coming through to the market, one day up, one day down, especially from the Chinese. Shares to look at is MMI. The share is currently trading at 26.83 rand. Line A will be a price of 26.70. Please keep in mind this could be a topish movement, and at any stage if this share breaks this line A here on 26.70, that the share could come down to 26.72, 26.28, 26.10 to almost a low of 22 rand. Please use the stop loss if it doesn't want to concur to break down on a level of 28.10. Another share is called Old Mutual. Now if you look at the Old Mutual chart, you will basically line A and line B. Line A will be 36.40 and line B will be 35 rand. As you can see, the shares forming cycles at this moment. It's on the top of the cycle. The expectation is that the share could come down, but it needs to break line B if you want to enter into a short, and line B will be 35 rand. Now the levels will be, if level 35 rand has been broken, will be 35.83, 35.70, 35.55, 35.13, 34.81 to almost a low of 33 rand 45 cents. Current stop loss on this specific share will be approximately about 37 rand 35. Let's go and look at the J200, or the top 40 shares on the JSE. As you can see, currently a lot of uncertainty happening here on this high levels here, and that was due to elections and due to the public holidays and the market data coming through from the Chinese and Americans at the moment, giving a lot of uncertainty in our markets, and we are struggling with confirmations of direction at this moment. Let's go and call up ShopRite quickly. As you can see at ShopRite, red line, that is resistance at this moment. Green channel here is positive channel. You can actually see the similarity here happening here on the upward channel. Now the big question will be, is this the high starting for a new breakdown to happen very soon? Looking at indicators, there's a bit of a breakdown happening here. It's not concerned as yet. Look at this breakdown here on your indicators. Stochastics, RSI also breaking down. Still, I'm keeping my eye on this 170 rand. Big numbers 166.52. At any time it breaks this, that's a definite sell-off happening here, and investors will keep a close eye on the share. Mr. Price, the reports are due, and the expectation was quite good for the market. We waited for the reports, and there was a breakup happening here from 160 rand going to 165 rand in one day. So there's a lot of expectation here touching the highs as well. So let's see if the results will be due and how the market fared to this. Truworths is still going a bit slowly up to 87 rand at this moment, almost touching the stop here on this blue line showing resistance. It looks similar to ShopRite at this moment. Blue line going up. We need to see if there's a bit of sell-off going to happen here, or if the market's going to start breaking this up in the short term. Let's go into the banks quickly. Barclays Bank. Now Barclays Bank, this moment, as you can see, upward channel. There's the red line showing resistance and the green line showing support. So we need to see if this channel will start moving upwards in a direction upwards or in a direction downwards. As you can see, the movement was quite big here, and now it's starting to get small. So a lot of uncertainty happening on the specific share. Capitec also started to lose some value here, but there's not support in the market for more downside as yet. MTN did break yesterday upwards through this 218, 220 level, broken this resistance upward. Now, the share seems very expensive at this moment again. Look at this on the highs, but you can't trade the share for 1 rand or 2 rand movement at this current stage. Vodacom. Vodacom is quite interesting in this moment. As we spoke, we've missed this opportunity. 127.41 breakup happened. 150 is the next high. The next high is close to the 133 levels. MTN and Vodacom moved yesterday a lot upwards, especially with huge volume, especially on MTN. They came forward. Yeah, yesterday morning at 11 o'clock, we're sitting at 2.6 million shares traded for the day. So as you can see, bargain hunters did come into this specific trade as well. Now, traders, it's going to be a difficult day. I just want to go look at Discovery quickly. And as you can see, Discovery is still doing well at this moment. There's the upward channel. Winning percentage quite topish. A lot of shares are quite topish at this moment. We need to see what kind of direction will come to the market in the short term as well. As you can see, Ultimate's a beautiful upward channel, currently testing new highs at this stage. Let's see where the markets could take us. After Monday, I believe the volumes will come back, huge volumes, and buyers will most probably come back for sellers. We need to see what kind of information will come to the market for better direction. Enjoy this Friday.